Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Tech at Paris Defense Show. Indian defense sector firms from both public and private sectors are participating in the Eurosatory 2024 Defense Show in France. The exhibition is showcasing Indian products like the Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system and the LCA Tejas fighter aircraft. The Indian pavilion at the show was inaugurated on Monday, June 17th by Indian Ambassador at France, Javed Ashraf. Bharat Electronics Limited Directors Manoj Jain and KV Suresh Kumar, Brigadier Jubin Bhatnagar, Defence Attaché of India to France, and senior defense public sector undertakings and DRDO officials were present on the occasions. Next, Joint Doctrine for Cyberspace Operations. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan released the Joint Doctrine for Cyberspace Operations, which will guide commanders in conducting such operations in today's complex military operating environment. At the Chiefs of Staff Committee meeting held here on Tuesday, a Defence Ministry statement said, "This doctrine lays emphasis on understanding military aspects of cyberspace operations and provides conceptual guidance to commanders, staff and practitioners in the planning and conduct of operations in the cyberspace, as also to raise awareness in our war fighters at all levels." Next, US lawmakers to meet Dalai Lama in India. A group of US lawmakers arrived in India on Tuesday to meet Tibetan spiritual leader the Dalai Lama, with the head of the delegation saying President Joe Biden would soon sign a bill that aims to press China to resolve the Tibet dispute. The bill seeks to push Beijing to hold talks with Tibetan leaders stalled since 2010 to secure a negotiated agreement on Tibet and spur China to address Tibetan people's aspiration on their historical, cultural, religious and linguistic identity. Next, supersonic target drone STAR to test ship defenses. The DRDO is on the verge of unveiling a new weapon in its arsenal, the STAR supersonic target drone. Scheduled for testing later this year, STAR promises to revolutionize the way India trains its naval crews to combat modern anti-ship missile threats. STAR, or Supersonic Target for Anti-Radiation, is designed to mimic the characteristics of modern anti-ship missiles, capable of achieving speeds exceeding Mach 2.4. STAR will allow naval personnel to hone their skill in detecting and defeating their high-velocity threats. Next, hyperspectral imaging with new payload. DRDO has announced the successful design and development of a compact space-borne hyperspectral imaging payload, according to industry's partner Paras Defense. The payload is slated for launch by September 2024. Hyperspectral imaging technology captures detailed information across a wide range of wavelengths, providing a more comprehensive picture compared to traditional cameras. This advanced technology has numerous applications, including Earth observation, sources, resource mapping, environmental monitoring and disaster management. Next, Alte Tank, a report. Yeni Akit, an Islamist Turkish daily newspaper, proudly proclaims the arrival of Turkey's first indigenous main battle tank, the Alte, alleging it has caused panic amongst neighboring countries. The article cites India media outlets discussing the Alte's capability and supposedly advocating for an alliance with Greece to counter this new Turkish advancement. Thank you.